Good morning, everybody. What a gorgeous morning it is as well. The sun's up bright and early. It's frosty. It's absolutely beautiful morning, but we're on the roof today. So we've got a friend coming round. Let's see how we get on, shall we? So Dom's let me know he's going to be about another hour, so past the time. We've got a skip on the drive. We've got a huge big pile of grass and, well, it's not grass, is it? It's bush cuttings that we took down from the fence. We're actually where the greenhouse used to be. There's a different video coming in a few weeks time with that one, but yeah, it all needs clearing out and putting into the skip, so that can be this morning's job. So Dom just texted me, he said he's a couple of minutes away. We're going to head up onto the roof, take a look at the chimney that's up there. It's leaking. I think I showed you internally where it's coming down in the cavity. The chimney's actually embedded in the cavity, it's not got its own area, which is a little bit strange. I've not really seen it before, and I think it's asbestos. Dom's trained in how to handle asbestos. We're not really going to do anything with removing it, but I'm going to let him go up, see what it's like. Hopefully it's just a seal around the lead flashing or something to that effect that we can just put some more silicone around it and then tape it up, maybe just to put us on through the winter, at least to shore it up so that it's not coming in inside. And also have a look at that bird's nest. I don't think I showed it yet on the loft insulation, but I found a bird's nest, so if we can see where that is, I'll include that as well. And we've always got our little helper around. Haven't you? Hey? Good boy. Let's see how we get on. How are they going to make sandwiches? I did the classic mistake. I didn't introduce Dom. I just let him go up on the ladder and didn't say hi to anyone. So, sorry Dom, but everyone's now seen your face up on the roof, but you didn't get the chance to say hi. However, we've, I think, done a really good job, or Dom's done a really good job. It seems to be sealed up pretty nicely, duct taped right the way up. Yeah, hopefully no more leaks. And given we've got a couple more hours of daylight, I'm going to crack on and get the rest of this emptied into the skip. I've nearly filled the skip. I should have got a bigger one, but we're doing alright. I think we can get the rest of this in. We are almost there. Just need to sweep up now, get these last few bits, get the logs piled away. Bit of a mess, but I think it's a job well done today, and quite pleased with the outcome. It's one off the weekend list anyway. Right, so job done, all tidied up, I'm ready for the next task that she'll give me. So we are a few days on from fixing the roof, and we look to be fairly dry. It's certainly a damn sight drier than it was before. We've had awful weather these last few days. It's stormed Eunice, and we seem to have survived it, so we now have this to tackle. So this is the remnants of what came out of the loft.
The room of doom.
Hopefully we can clear this up and make it look a little tidier. We have our helper.
As always. You actually got the blackberries in that? Oh my god. Nice case. I love the blackberries. I didn't have that bit of black. Look at this.
That's my original iPhone, isn't it?
iPod. You could probably trade all them and keep them with your vintage one day.
So Charlotte's just made a suggestion, given now that it's all dry up there, we actually put a temporary wardrobe back in here, literally just using this piece of wood, this rail that came out of it, just there for our clothes that we don't wear too often, but they're in suit bags, so shouldn't be too difficult, but let's see how we get on. I'll just show you what I've put together. This is all of the old wardrobe from before, and I've basically just knocked together a little bit of a frame just to hold it up against that was fastened to the wall, fastened it to the floor. It's fairly sturdy, it's not moving too much, it's got a little bit of wobble to it, but should be solid enough with this panel then laid flat across the top of that, and then the rail in between. It should make a pretty good makeshift wardrobe.
I swear he sends me outside when the rain gets heavier and heavier on purpose. It's grim. Ugh. Right, where's the saw? Yeah. At least this stuff is organised. Stanley, look. Oh. Look at it. It's so disgusting.
Let's see if she fits, shall we? Whoa, let's just take a look at outside for a minute. This is Storm Eunice, everyone. Jesus. That is very, very heavy rain. Wow, I'll stand and watch that for ages. Right, let's see if this piece will fit, shall we? How good's my measuring, guys?
that. It's a tiny bit out, but I can live with that on a makeshift wardrobe. Okay, so next we need to just shorten this, it's a bit too long going up there. Basically about that long, but it's 124 because I've already measured it. I'm going to try this a little bit differently. I've not done this before, but hopefully it will work. I'm about to go out in that storm and get my hacksaw. That ain't going anywhere. Nice and solid. If it works, get the rest of them in. Okay, so Charlotte's just come upstairs, not seen it yet. Come and take a look.
How's it looking? Oh, it's a bit bloody hell.
Pardon the language, but pleased with that?
Yeah, that looks good. Neat. Tidy. What we needed.
Exactly what we needed, and the room is almost clear.
Yeah.
I think we've had a good, successful day. So there you have it, guys. We fixed the roof just in time as well with that storm that we've had this week. It's been horrendous.
Yeah. And you kept sending me out in it.
Sorry.
I got soaked.
Yeah, my bad.
So next week's video, we've actually already started working on. So we've got some really exciting stuff coming up. It includes like the windows, the doors, builder. We've got some exciting news coming with that. And we'll take you along and show you all the processes that we're going through to hopefully start the build.
So keep following, subscribe, like the videos, and we'll see you next Monday.
See you Monday.